Hi, I'm Nick, and today we're going to be showing you how to resolve Android WCAG link purpose violations. WCAG 2.4.9, titled Link Purpose, states that the purpose of a link must be identifiable from the link's text alone. The intent of this success criterion is to help users understand the purpose of each link in the content so they can decide whether or not they want to follow it. This success criterion helps people with motion impairment by letting them skip content that they're not interested in, avoiding keystrokes needed to visit the reference content and then return back to their current content. Additionally, people with visual disabilities will benefit from not needing to explore extra content to fully understand the purpose of a link. For more details on the specifics of WCAG link purpose violations, check out this website here, link also in the description down below. Let's go ahead and fix a link purpose violation with the help of the Mesmer JetBrains IDE plugin. But first, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm. Let's go ahead and fix this violation here. Clicking on the resource ID allows us to immediately find the XML and Java files responsible for this violation. Now that we've found the screen that contains this violation, let's pull up our emulator to see what we're able to see. From the emulator, we can use our screen reader Smalltalk to see what the screen reader is able to deduce about the purpose of each link.
Click here to learn more about WCAG link purpose accessibility criteria. Click here. Double tap to activate.
As we can see, our screen reader is able to read the context or the purpose of this link, but not the link that does not contain its purpose within its text. From here, we can access the HTML text that defines this link. From here, we can copy the text of the non-violating link and put it in the text of the violating link, such that its purpose of the link is displayed by the text. Let's go ahead and rebuild our app and see what our screen reader is able to see. From the emulator, we can click on this new link to see if our screen reader is able to determine the purpose of this link.
Click here to learn more about WCAG link purpose accessibility criteria. Double tap to activate.
And just like that, we fixed our link purpose accessibility violation. Today's question is, what does accessibility mean to you? Let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and happy developing.